Hello! Today I'm going to quickly demonstrate how you can embed reports that are hosted on PowerBI.com in an application workspace in Dynamics 365 for finance and operations. Let's begin in the Customer Credit and Collections workspace. On the My Work tab, we see the standard operational workspace designed for this business process. Click the Analytics All Companies tab to access the analytical view of your data. By default, you'll see the standard report included with the application suite. These predefined solutions make a great starter for organizations. However, they don't allow you to report on external data. At the same time, PowerBI.com is the perfect tool for creating analytical solutions showing a mixture of content with data from external sources. Using the latest platform update, as a Power user, you can replace these embedded solutions with reports designed for your organization that are hosted on PowerBI.com. There's no need for a developer, and it's really easy to do. Let me show you how. First, it's important to note that this is not a personalization. The changes I'm making are for every user of the active legal entity. In the example that I'm going to show you, I'll use the USMF company. To complete the following steps, you must be assigned to the System Report Editor security group. While viewing the analytical workspace, I'll expand the Options menu, and under the Power BI section, click Select Analytics, All Companies. The Power BI Reports pane appears and lists the reports hosted on PowerBI.com that are shared with me. The first step is to identify the workspace containing the report. I'll select My Workspace and then select the report I want to display, which I know is called Contoso Electronics. Here it is. After I select the report, I simply click the OK button, and then refresh the page to update my view. I'll click on the Analytics All Companies tab again to view the analytical reports. This time, you'll see the report I've selected hosted on PowerBI.com is now conveniently embedded directly in the application for the users of the active legal entity. You can repeat these actions for each legal entity using the same report or a different one hosted on PowerBI.com. And that's all there is to it. Using these options, you can take advantage of analytical solutions hosted on PowerBI.com and embed them into finance and operations. This will help users within your organization make more informed business decisions. For more information, search for analytical workspaces on docs.microsoft.com. Thanks for watching.